Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix the TikTok search or search tool not working. So I'm going to be showing you different method on how you can fix it. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now without any further delay, let's get started. This kind of issue usually occurs whenever there is a slow internet connection or you have an unstable internet connection. So make sure to check your internet connection. If you're on your mobile data, then you can switch over to your Wi-Fi. Similarly, if you're on your Wi-Fi, then you can switch it over to mobile data, and after that you might be able to fix it. If you're still unable to fix it, then you can change the filter. So what you need to do is head over to your search, and then in the right hand side corner you can see there is an icon. You need to click on it, and after you click on the icon, a list of filter will appear, and right in this page you need to select a filter, and after that you need to click on apply. For that you might be able to solve your issue. And in case if you're still unable to fix it, then other thing you can do is you can restart your TikTok application. You need to log out of your TikTok, and after that log in into your account once again. And the other thing what you can do is you can navigate to your secondary account in case if you have, and sometimes it might be from the server itself, so you need to check the server or you need to check the status of the TikTok, and after that you can simply clear cache and data for your TikTok application. And in case if the issue continues till 1 or 2 days, then you can simply report this kind of issue to the customer service. In order to report, you need to open up your TikTok application and then tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, next interface, tap on tab bar icon and then tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, next thing you need to do is support or contact, and after that you need to submit your report. Within 2 to 3 days later you'll be notified or they'll look into your matter. And those were the method on how you can fix TikTok search or search tool not working issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.